Hello everyone! Today we are going to clean the entire house. This is going to be the first video that I'm actually able to clean my husband's man cave and my office. If you guys have not seen me clean my husband's room and also my office, I will link those both down below. But yeah, I'm actually super excited because I'm actually able to clean the entire house today. So if you would like to clean with me, get some cleaning motivation, then please keep watching. I feel like this is the first time in a while that I've actually showed my kitchen being clean without there being tons of dishes in the sink. And yeah, usually every single video I'm constantly telling you guys that, oh, this is the first load of dishes and I'm still waiting on the second load of dishes. And this is the first one where I'm like, no, I'm actually going to have the dishes done before I even start filming. Doing something a little bit different today. I'm actually running out of all of my cleaners. I just have, the bottom bit that's left over of like floor cleaner or, dusting or whatever it may be. So yeah, basically today I'm going to be using everything left over that I have, filling it up with water because I know I'm not the only one who does that. If I have a little bit of cleaner left over, I will definitely fill it with water, kind of shake it up a little bit and just keep using it, because to me it works just the same. It's just instead of running out and buying new cleaner right now, I might as well use up and declutter a little bit of the house because of that. Because if not, I'll just have a bunch of half empty to almost empty bottles at the bottom of my sink, and I don't like that. So what you're going to be seeing me use here is I have a little bit of like this floor cleaner, multiple use cleaner that I have. It's blue. And yeah, that's basically what I'm using on the floor. I only have a little bit left and I ran out of all my Mrs. Meyer's floor cleaner and all-purpose cleaner. So I'm just going to be using that because that's what I have on hand today. Right here, I have the 7th generation disinfecting wipes, but my husband had left those open, so they completely dried out. So what I'm doing is I'm just re-wetting it. A little water basically reactivates it, and that's what I'm going to be using to clean my counters today because I'm also out of counter cleaner. So to me, it helps. I'm just re-wetting it, going over all my surfaces, my toilet bowl, everything, and it's like brand new. Now, is anyone like me? I absolutely hate cleaning the toilet. I don't know why. Like, don't get me wrong. I hate laundry. I hate folding laundry. But for some reason, the toilet just grosses me out. And I don't know why. It's just me and my husband. I use it just as much as he does. But for some reason, I just gross out whenever I clean the toilet bowl. So like, if you ever look at my hands while I'm washing it, I have like my hands are making like this ick type of thing. I don't know, they look like a claw, but I do it every time and I don't know why. I just hate cleaning the toilet. losing a whole lot of dog hair when I sweep. My dogs are both shedding like crazy. And if you guys have ever had a lab and a husky mixed together, their hair is everywhere. So you're gonna see these big, huge piles in this video. They're just shedding like crazy, and I'm sweeping honestly probably like every other day to every second, third day, and it accumulates super quick. Back to the office. Now you can see it kind of starts to look a little cluttered again. Not as bad as it was before in my other video. Oh no, not even close. But I had to move some of my old workout equipment and stuff back in because I have no room really anywhere else. So it looks a little cluttered right now, but we are going to be moving all the workout equipment and stuff that we don't really need into our storage unit. So this will be gone most likely in the next video. But yeah. Oh, and the lei that you just saw, I actually got that in Mardi Gras. I went to Mardi Gras a couple years ago, and that was one of the leis that I got that they threw off one of the balconies. Just a little fun fact. Right now, my bedroom feels like a dungeon. Our mattress is just horrible. I think it's time for a new one, but you know, they're so expensive. If you guys have any recommendations on a type of mattress that you get good sleep with that isn't way overpriced, please leave it in the comments down below. I would love to go ahead and look at it, maybe purchase one. But yeah, so right now, the bedroom is my enemy. My dog shedding so much lately, I am vacuuming so much more now. It's honestly so ridiculous, and I have to keep emptying out the filter and all that stuff so much because they keep shedding and it's picking up everything. I'm trying not to break this vacuum. I love this vacuum. This is actually my husband's vacuum since before I think we even got together, he had it. And we take very good care of it. So yeah, I'm gonna be vacuuming a lot. Another one of those 7th generation disinfectant wipes again and doing the wood. Since it's not actual wood, it's not really gonna hurt it, but since I ran out of dusting stuff, I have to find something, so we're improvising, and I'm just gonna be using those for basically any surface. I know I never show you this area, but that's just kind of like my cluttered area. It's like the miscellaneous stuff that needs a home for it, but I just needed to tidy up the messy area, make it not look so messy even though it is messy. And you see, there's so much dog hair. I promise you, they're shedding so much. I can't keep up with it. then I found a little bit of like a Windex type of thing. It was glass cleaner, and just a tiny bit. So I'm just doing the washer, the dryer, kind of just whatever. My husband's gaming system, like everything that it's on is all like this glass material. So I just figured I'll just use up the rest of it. And then on the bookshelves, I'm using more of those disinfectant wipes. So like I said, I'm just trying to get rid of the extras that I know I'm not going to really use, but instead of running out and buying more and cluttering my sink area or wherever I have cleaning products, I'm just trying to get rid of whatever kind of doesn't need to be there right now. Going to be doing the laundry today. I know usually I do like a laundry chat, or if you see my last video, it was a laundry mountain, but this time I'm trying to keep up on it because I really want the house to just look completely clean. So my husband's room, usually the couch always has clothes on it because I hate putting away laundry, but today I'm actually going to make it a point to put away every single load that I do today. I put the blanket on the couch when it's been like raining or snowing, which it hasn't been recently. We had like that weird storm that came in, but it hasn't been doing it lately. So I've been keeping the blanket off of the couch so that way when the dogs lay down, they don't get it dirty. But since it hasn't been raining or anything, I haven't been putting it on. But since they've been shedding so much, I've been laying it down because if not, I'll get big tufts of fur all over the couch. And I have like a little vacuum to vacuum the couch, but I'm trying not to clog it, so I'm trying to kind of help it as much as I can for now. And yep, I have my hair in that part. I always that part is completely me. I always put like my socks and everything in the recliner, so then when I go to close it, you can't really do it. And yeah, I put my extensions and everything in there. It's because like I'm just watching TV, and then I'll take out my hair and just kind of leave it right there, and I'll usually like fall asleep on there. The boxes in the living room are from my decluttering video with my office. The reason why they're not out is because, like I said, we are supposed to be taking everything over to the storage, but we have to do like one full trip, so we're just waiting to have enough before we go because we don't want to take like bits and pieces. So yeah, that's why they're still there. They will be gone very soon, like I said, most likely in the next video, but for right now, I'm leaving the boxes right there. And here it is, the video has finally come to an end. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked it, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already to see more videos like this one. and I will be seeing you guys in my next one very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.